I totally forgot that I was working on this guy. I think I stopped working on him, I think because it just got kind of boring. Something about it was like a little too simple. You know what I mean? It's pretty late right now. I'm not sure why. I feel like, is my camera lens dirty? Like grease? I feel like it is. 1 second. I give it a little wipey. Did that help? Yeah, that feels a little less greasy. A little less greasy. Okay. So I don't even know where to start with this guy. I don't know why I stopped. I think it was, I was just bored of it. But let's just jump right back into things, right? And let's start off by giving him lashes. I've noticed when they don't have lashes, they look very Uncanny Valley vibes. So let's give him some sassy lashes. Sassy lash time. I like to do lashes on a separate layer. Let's do it. And I'm going to make them black, even though his hair is kind of like a more brownish tone. We're just going to go black. Unless I change my mind. Oops. That is some eyeliner, babes. Eyeliner. Back to black. So I saw the Amy Winehouse movie. I do not recommend watching it. That was a while back, but it was not good. I'm a huge Amy Winehouse person. I don't think Amy Winehouse would have despised that movie. He's like really squinting, huh? I don't know how I feel about. Should I have made those lashes brown? Damien, thank you for the heart me, babe. Happy Pride. Thanks for the likes, Brandon. I go back to black. Did you see the movie Dashing Dylan? What are your thoughts? Okay, the lashes helped. Dylan, no, but I love that queen. What a mess she was. I feel like I can relate to her a lot. Sometimes I go back to black. Let's try a lower lash line just for curiosity's sake. Is that too sassy? The gothic side? Did you have an emo era? I always wanted to be emo. I had emo friends. They would let me borrow their anime or manga books. Okay, maybe the lower lash line is too much, but whatever. We'll keep it for now. And this is his tan line. Because he works outside or something, I don't know. Dylan, do you recall Chi flat irons? Oh, from high school I had one in pink. Those are expensive, babe. Those are like the bougie ones, right? I do remember that. Hey, babe. Mosquito season is almost here. Why does bug spray have to... I don't know where I'm going with that. Thank you, Scourge of Mosquitoes, for the follow. Happy Pride to you and your mosquito family. I don't know what sound mosquitoes make. Is it like bzz, bzz? I see some mosquito bites I want, bro. These ones? These two? You're funny. It's 2:48 in California. It's 3:48 here in America, the United States. Thank you, Sheldon Cooper, for the follow. Happy Pride to you and your family. Go to bed, Zwag. I know, girl. I'm gonna learn pickleball tomorrow with my friend. And I have to go to bed soon. Should we be asleep? Maybe this is a dream. California is in the USA. I don't think so. I think California is like its own thing, you know? Get Out. That's for... Oh yeah. No sleep. We're going to the club after this. Wake up. Some comments were filtered out. I wonder what you said. I'm curious. I do want to clarify that this is a ban. Mosquito. It's okay, it's 5 a.m. right now, and my NIC is burnt, and I can't get a new one till nighttime. Ugh. I feel you, babe. That's when you go into... You find the old ones, and you try to figure it out until the next day. Have you named him? He has... Whoa, when did I do that? He doesn't have a name yet, but if you have any suggestions, I'm open to suggestions. I know the old ones are burnt worse. Well, I would give you one of mine. But I'm in the USA. I'm not sure where you're at. Name him Timote after the D bird I raised. You raised a D bird? Oh, that's on my guilty conscience. Here, I don't think I've ever talked about this publicly. So, since there's only 3 people in here, it's like whatever. One time I found a bird with a broken wing, right? And I was like, oh my gosh, I love birds. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna like help him back to health, and then like blah blah blah. So I put him in my shed. I made like a little bed and everything. Brought him water and stuff. And then I was a kid. And then I didn't realize that it's like over 100 degrees outside, and he basically like overheated and didn't make it. So he probably would have been better off if I would have just left him alone. So that's why in most cases I don't like to interfere with birds. Wild birds. Pigeons are cute though. Mosquito. Yeah, no, me and my friend found a hurt baby, and I was like, oh, it's finally drinking water, but I'm pretty sure I waterboarded him. Yeah, see, like things like that. We had good intentions, but we were young. And it didn't. I don't know if there's like a learning curve, or like if we learned something from that, but